Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you an overview of the hospital clinical case screen. From the case management screen, click on the relevant case. The case management sidebar will open. Click on the clinical case button to open the clinical case screen. The clinical case screen is where all clinical notes originate from. A clinical case screen sidebar offers additional functionalities specifically relevant to the clinical case. For an in-depth explanation of the clinical case screen sidebar, please refer to the web app Clinical Case Screen Sidebar user manual linked in this video's description. There are an array of clinical forms to choose from that are available from the clinical case screen sidebar. Once a form has been selected, the open form will populate the previously empty space on the clinical case screen. All of the open forms belonging to the patient will be displayed under the Active Forms section. Click on the Close button to exit the clinical case screen without saving. Click on the Save and Close button to save the clinical case screen and return to the case management screen. Alternatively, click on the up arrow for additional saving options. Click on the Save button to save changes made on the form but remain on the clinical case screen. Click on the Save Lines to New Macro button to create a new macro. For more information regarding macros, please refer to the Macros Building Combinations user manual linked in this video's description.